Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome if you're new. Either way, I'm glad that you clicked on this video and I hope you watch it until the end.
I am looking for the better days.
So today I went grocery shopping and I brought you guys along to see what I will buy.
There's so many things that I keep in my mind. My friends keep me out and it hurts every time. With all the emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Sitting lonely in my room again, acting like I'm innocent. Why do I try? 'Cause now I'm feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies. When there's so many things that I keep in my mind, I hang around people I don't even like. If they can be happy and walk with a smile, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time.
Here's everything that I bought for this month's shopping. I'll start with toiletries. We have dish soap. We got 2 of them. We have this oven cleaner. We have shower gel. Star Soft. Big razor. We have this soap. Center. Then I bought 2 air fresheners and 1 gel air freshener. Then we have Vaseline, Johnson's baby jelly for the kids. We have bathing soap, Casson's, brush, toothbrush, toothpaste, scoring pads, brush, baby wipes, serviette and tissues, and then we have, let me first clear the toiletries. Okay, then we have tortilla wraps, mandazis, maize flour, coconut macarons, cereals, vinegar, tomato sauce. We have sugar, choco flakes, corn flakes, soy sauce, dark, sweet chili, light soy sauce, tomato paste, turmeric, bites, cucumbers, 2 of them. Then we have the courgette mix. Then we have different types of pasta. This one, and this one, and this type too. Then we have cross buns, Carrefour cross buns. Then we have pink salt. Then we have vanilla essence, and we have coconut milk. I had 2 of these. I think the rest is inside the paper. Then we have coffee, 3 in 1. Then we have dairy fresh, milk, 1 carton, and yogurts. And that was it. This was the following day, and I wanted to go to the market to get fruits and vegetables, so I decided to clean my fridge first.
Too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you hindsight is fleeting, when your heart's bleeding, and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause
I normally avoid removing the glass shells to avoid breakage, so I make sure I wipe them nicely.
And I didn't understand that you were
I wiped everything up before putting them back in the fridge. I did the same thing on the freezer compartment, but I was a bit fast because I did not want anything to defrost. Now the fridge is super clean, and I have also created room for fresh fruits and vegetables. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to help this channel grow. Bye.